Transform your business operations and delight your clients with the power of Wix Bookings. Why you're your all-in-one solution for effortless online scheduling. First, let's dive into setting up your services. Navigate to the Services tab in your Wix dashboard. Click Add a new service and start by giving your service a clear, descriptive name. Then, add a compelling description to entice your clients. Crucially, set the duration of the service and its price. You can also choose if the service is online, in person, or both. Don't forget to add a high-quality image or video to make your offering shine. You can add as many services as your business offers, categorizing them for easy browsing. Think about offering packages or recurring services to add value. Next, let's manage your schedule. You can set your business hours and define specific availability for each service. For a more detailed approach, click Manage Calendar to set buffer times between appointments, blocking out specific days or times when you're unavailable. Now, let's bring your team into the loop. Go to the Staff Members tab here. You can add each of your team members, upload their photos, and most importantly, assign them to the services they provide. This ensures that clients book with the right person for the job. Seamless payment integration is key. Head to your store's payment settings. Wix Booking supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and even manual payments like cash on arrival. Simply connect your preferred payment gateways. Once configured, your clients will see a beautiful, intuitive booking experience on your Wix website. They can easily select a service, choose a staff member, and pick an available time slot, all from their computer or mobile device. With Wix Bookings, you're not just scheduling appointments. You're building a streamlined, professional booking experience that saves you time and keeps your clients coming back. Start setting up your Wix Bookings today and watch your business soar.